Hey there! Today's video is a collab with the fabulous Miss Dee Bean. We are both obsessed with packaging and this video was right up our alley. We purchased two, I'm gonna call it frivolous things from Dior Beauty just for the packaging. So if you want to see that, please stick around right after the break. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So I've got two little visitors down here. They're my audience, so I now have an in-person audience at any given time with the puppies. New backgrounds, so I think that they're not used to the change. But so in today's video, I'm collabing again with Dee Bean. We are going to be doing an unboxing of, I think, the exact same item. I'm not 100% sure. I just know we both ordered an item from this section of the Dior.com website, and our real intention was to get the beautiful packaging because they had fabulous holiday packaging on the Dior.com, and we're not talking the beauty side, we're talking the actual fashion side. So quick little backtrack. If you followed my Vlogmas, you knew that I went through a little bit of a saga getting the Dior holiday packaging. I placed like 5 orders, maybe 6, over the course of just before Black Friday through like middle of December, and just about every single one came in the typical white Dior box. I'll insert what it usually looks like, and every time I was just like, oh, disappointed. Finally, it was like the second to last one, the holiday packaging, there's my coffee right there, holiday packaging showed up, and I was ecstatic. That exact same week, I want to say within the same 2 days, one of my friends was she felt so bad for me that she sent me her holiday packaging because I was just so disappointed. And I know it's so stupid, but I'm just like, I just love the different packaging. I have last year's Lunar New Year, no, 2 years ago, Lunar New Year's packaging framed over there. The red I have up there is decorative from last year, and it's just, I really am a fan of Dior packaging, so I tend to hoard it or keep it around, and I'm really obsessed with it. So when I heard about this particular packaging on the fashion side coming out, I really have a fondness for butterflies, and just wanted to have something from that packaging. If you're new to my channel is all treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your favorite fragrances, your cup of coffee, your handbags, luxury goods, what have you, just treating yourself to a little bit of something special because you deserve it. And I went to Chicago back in October of last year. It's 2024 already. Good God, just saying that is scary. And I was lucky enough to go to the Dior boutique there in Chicago and get a preview of the cruise collection while I was there with some friends. And I purchased a mitzvah from that collection, but because it was a preview and it hadn't quite officially launched yet, they didn't have any of the packaging there. So my little mitzvah came in just a plain little white case or box, and the white bag and everything. So I didn't get any of the butterfly packaging that is associated with this collection that's been released so far. So it's been just a little bit of a disappointment not to get that. And there hasn't really been a whole lot else that I want. I want to get another mitzvah, but I can't decide if I got the pink. I kind of want the blue. There's a green. I'm just kind of torn. And now there's an astrology one that has a little bit of the butterfly motif, but it has the different astrology signs, but I've only seen a yellow, and I'm not a fan of yellow. So I digress. Anywho, there hasn't just anything that's drawn my attention other than some little trinkets here and there that seemed interesting. So I was watching Instagram, and Jennifer Loves, I believe it was, Jennifer Loves Couture. She posted that she just ordered a book from the Dior website, and it came packaged in the packaging. And I was just like, sold. That's how I'm going to get my packaging. So I went on the website, perused all the different books. I almost bought a notebook because I thought that would be, you know, something really easy and fun. But I've got a few I've gotten as holiday gifts. So I'm like, I don't need another notebook. I've got plenty of notebooks. So I went for one of the coffee table books that they had. So let me go ahead and grab the package. Okay. So here it is. It is a very beautiful kind of reflective holiday packaging, and this is the green and gold motif. They had, I believe, 3 colorways: a blue, kind of a rose red kind of tone, and then this green gold version. And if some folks were lucky enough to get some lovely like a card with their order, I just got a generic order form. So maybe those who bought in a boutique got it's a card that has a pop-up in it. It was very beautiful. So I saw some different folks on Instagram and TikTok get some really nice accessories, so to speak, with their items. So I just thought this was really beautiful. It has a lovely Dior ribbon. I believe this one is slightly different than the ones we get with Beauty. If I remember correctly, I think Beauty is, no, they're satiny. So I collect most of my ribbons up in a little jar. So same ribbon as you would get in Beauty, but just different boxes, different packaging. So let's unwrap it. Put that in there as soon as I'm done here. Here it is without the ribbon. You can kind of see the reflection a little bit better on that. It's just gorgeous. And it's a little even more, it has a little flap that slots in there, so it even closes a little nicer. And then when you open it up, it's got this packaging like that. This is typical Dior branded paper that you get in Beauty as well, so that's not unusual. Looking to see if it's got anything out of the ordinary. I don't like to damage it too much. So wrapped really nicely. Just a large amount of tissue paper in there. No other special wrapping or accessories. You don't get any free samples, obviously, on the fashion side because it's not the beauty side. So in Beauty, you get, usually with any purchase, you know, 2 free samples, and then once you hit $100, you get like a deluxe miniature, something similar to these Privé fragrances, or a little mini Miss Dior bottle, or if you want the male Sauvage fragrances, whatever you might like. So let's see, where can I put this for eye candy? Will it fit up here with the Fendi stuff? It will. So there we go. And check that out. So it came nicely wrapped with some extra Dior stickers and this styrofoamy type stuff. Take that out. And I picked up the legendary Dior 30th Avenue Montaigne. I wouldn't necessarily call this a coffee table book per se. It's not that large. It's a typical like 8.5 by 11 type of book. So I want to say it's 150 pages or so, maybe, in there. Has the beautiful Dior star. I will go ahead and open it up. There are a variety of books showcasing the fashion. Some are focused on the variety of designers that have led the house over the years. So just depending on what you're wanting to have in your collection, I thought it would be interesting to start building a book collection for some of these houses. So I just really like the aesthetic of the gray, showing the Dior building. It just seemed like a really fun book. So just some really beautiful photography and backstory on the house. Just a really lovely read, I think. So I'm gonna enjoy getting to see what all I can learn. Just really beautiful photography. So really looking forward to having this as part of my collection. And then some of the beautiful gowns that have been designed over the years. So I just think it's really fun. And I think at some point I'd like to focus each section of this. Either it's going to have a different bag or it might be a different house. So like LV, I've got Fendi up there, I've got Christian Dior down here right now. So maybe as I come across more of these from different houses, maybe I'll have a different focus behind me here. So that's kind of what that's about. So this was, I believe, $50. So very inexpensive way to get some really nice deluxe packaging. It was really pretty under my tree. Christmas was a little bit different this year. That's the way I describe it. Different this year. So it was just nice to see a few items under there that were just really beautiful and elegantly packaged and just brightened up, you know, the time. So I really enjoyed seeing this under there and picking up this item. So thanks to Dee Dee for collabing with me on this. I'm really excited to see how your video turned out, and I'll have her video linked down below. Please check her out. She's a great friend. Really enjoy watching her videos and chatting with her. So if you haven't seen anything by her, please check her out. She did a 12 days of Vlogmas. That was awesome as well. So if you want to catch up on those, please do. If you want to catch up on my Vlogmas, that's also going to be linked as a playlist down below. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.